we want to know that we are using a chemical that is effective against the virus. How do you know that? The manufacturer of the chemical will provide you with the certification and the documentation that you require, as well as the test reports. So if we are claiming anything to be a disinfectant, there's government regulation around disinfectants. Disinfectants need to be registered by the National Regulatory Service for Disinfectants. So that is an NRCS certificate that you should be provided with. In addition to that, there might be test reports for the type of disinfectant that you are using that show how effective it is, at what particular dilutions, and then standard operating procedure for us within the industry is to provide a data sheet. A data sheet will tell you about the chemical, what it's used for, what the dilutions you need to use it at, and how to store it. And then the other one is a safety data sheet. And your safety data sheet is always a 16-point form that tells you everything there is to know about the chemical.